In the summer of 1861, soldiers fought and died on a quiet field outside a small town in Virginia in one of the first battles of the Civil War. In the spring of 2026, a different kind of battle was fought on almost the same ground. No gun, no armies, just a few hundred house owners against a project that could have become the largest data center on the earth. They were not fighting for a person. They were fighting on ideas. The ideas that America's entire future now run through that's like place. For a while, it looked like the homeowner did not stand a chance. By the end of this video, you will understand that why one fight in one Virginia country might explain what about to happen towns all over the country. Here's the setup. Prince William County, Virginia sit about 30 miles outside Washington. DC part of it is nicknamed Data Center Alley. More of the world internet traffic passes through this stretch of Virginia than almost anywhere else on planet. In 2021, two developers proposed something enormous, up to 37 data centers spread across more than 2,000 acres of farmland, right next to Manassas National Battlefield Park. If it got built, it would be the biggest data center campus in the world, bigger than 140 football fields. They called it the digital gateway, and they said it would be billions of dollars into the country. But not everyone wanted it. The homeowner nearby did not just see a construction project. They saw what was already happening a few miles away in the town of Manassas itself. A longtime resident named John Steinbach opened his electric bill in January 2026 and did a double take. It was $281. The month before, it had been around $100. He did live in that house almost 40 years. He did never seen a bill like this. It is just so far beyond any bill that I have never heard, he said. He was not alone. Nationally, the average price of electricity climbed nearly 50% in since 2019, and a growing share of that increase was being traced back to the power being pulled by data center just like the one about to be built next door. So resistance started digging. A group called the Coalition to Project Prince William County began in looking into how the project has actually got trained approved. What they found, the country board had pushed the zoning process through fast, and according to a lawsuit filed by a local homeowner association, without giving the public a real chance to weigh in. In August 2025, a circuit court judge agreed the reasoning was void because the public had not been properly notified before the vote. The developer appealed. Now the country had a choice: keep fighting for a project worth billions in promised tax revenue and job, or listen to the people who did actually have to live next to it. In March 2026, Virginia court appealed unanimously sided with the lower court. Then on April 5th, the Prince William County Board of Supervisors did something almost nobody expected. They voted unanimously to stop defending the project. After already spending more than $2 million in taxpayer money on the legal fight, the developer dropped out completely. The other QTS made one last attempt, filing an appeal to the Virginia Supreme Court just 3 hours before the deadline. By July 2026, even QTS gave up. The digital gateway, the project that would have been the single largest data center campus on the planet, was officially dead. And Prince William County is not alone. Right now, there are more than 1,600 data centers across the United States, consuming roughly 4.4% of all the electricity in the country. Another 480 are planned or under construction. But in just the past 3 months of 2026, more than 130 billion worth of data center projects were delayed or cancelled nationwide, more than in all of the 2025 combined. Over 20 states are now debating bans or limits. Meanwhile, on Wall Street, it's the opposite story entirely. 85% of this year's stock market gain have come from AI companies, which means a huge chunk of America's retirement account and 401 ones are now riding on this continuing exactly the way Wall Street expect it to. So here is the contradiction nobody really talking about. America's entire economy is leaning on artificial intelligence to keep growing, but building the actual physical infrastructure AI needs, the power line, the water system, the data center themselves require something no algorithm can predict. The permission of the people who live next to it. And in the Prince William country, next to a battlefield where America once fought over what kind of country this should be, a group of homeowners just proved that permission was never guaranteed. America bet everything on AI futures. Nobody asks if the town underneath it wanted to make that bet too.